In Orange County, there's a comedy collective known as Mixed. Within Mixed, there's an intern by the name of Luis G. Since turning 18, Luis G has been out of control. It is up to the adults within Mixed to set him straight. This shit is what the following episode is primarily about. In a community, it's a given that the older people must look after the younger people. It is their job to show the less experienced the correct way. That's what I felt I needed to do with Luis. The night of the first Mixed show, Luis turned 18. Since that night, he had been living it up. Maybe living it up a little too much. I wanted to talk to Kenny about this and see if he could help me out. Speaking of our first Mixed show, you guys should totally go watch our first vlog. It's up on Facebook and YouTube. Our first vlog was so good we had to re-upload it twice because Facebook deleted it the first time around. Listen, Zuckerberg, I understand you're mad because you lost $15 billion last year, but it's not my fault you and your company are incredibly shady. Please leave our videos alone, you Data from Star Trek looking motherfucker. Hey dude, can I talk to you for a sec?
What's up?
You can just keep doing what you're doing, but I think I'm a little worried about Luis.
Why? What's going on?
Because he turned 18, he's been drinking a lot. Like a lot, like he went to...
it's like kids, man. Like, he's a kid.
But he went to Mendes' show, his backyard show, and he got really drunk and he cried. This is true. Everyone's favorite fool, David Mendes booked Luis for one of his backyard shows. Luis had a good set, and to celebrate, he decided to mix beer and whiskey. He ended the night looking a little something like this.
Why do parents show like kids romantic movies? Why do fucking parents show kids like romantic movies? My mom would always watch 50 first dates with me. But why would you show a kid that? Like, why would you show a kid 50 first dates? Like,
it's a happy ending.
No, it's not. It's like the first, like the middle.
They live with her disability and
she still has a disability.
Yeah, but he's 18. We all do shit like that. Like, I mean, how often is he drinking? Like, how many nights a month are we talking?
I think it's more frequent. And he's kind of dumb when he drinks. Like he mixed beer and whiskey. Like that's you don't do that shit.
Yeah, I mean maybe we could like steer him right. I mean we should. Yeah, I guess we could have a little talk with him.
You know what? We should talk to him about it the next time we have a writers meeting.
I'm down.
Yeah.
Writers meeting. Yeah.
Yeah. We should. I think when you confront an 18-year-old in front of a bunch of people, it works every single time.
Yeah.
They learn something, right? And if not, we like beat the shit out of them.
We'll just fuck him up.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean he's 18. He shouldn't really be drinking.
We'll talk to him.
He's an idiot.
We'll knock some sense into him.
Yeah. If not, we'll knock some sense into him.
Hey! Writers meetings. I fucking love writers meetings. Right now, you're looking at the Mixed Brain Trust. These are the people that have a hand in developing ideas for InfoWars and other videos. I'm just gonna do a blanket intro for all the people you guys haven't met yet. They'll get their proper introductions in due time. The writers' meeting is where all the magic happens. All we do is talk about nothing, but out of that nothing comes some of the dumbest, funniest, most brilliant ideas ever. We are definitely at our most productive when we're being unproductive. Take, for example, this conversation about voting.
Will you vote today?
Tomorrow, bro.
I
thought you said on Thursday.
Yeah. I know, but I get registered. I think it's too late.
No, you can register same day in California.
Really? Oh man, so I don't even have a car yet. Like, why am I gonna take
Do
twice?
I need to have like my ballot from the mail? Can I just show up to my polling station?
Guess what?
I think if you have.
I don't even have a fucking credit card.
Fucking take that, you piece of shit.
Yeah, I'm not fucking voting.
Why aren't you gonna go vote?
Cause I can't. It's too much. Like, I don't have a car. It's fucking California. It's fucking hot. I don't want to go outside.
It's hot. It's fucking November, dude.
I'll vote when my mom gets her papers. How about that?
Well, you should vote so that your mom could more easily get her papers, maybe in the future.
I don't even like my mom.
Okay then.
I don't have a credit card. Like to get a lift. I got so much shit to do tomorrow.
Like what?
Our sketch.
What else? We're doing
Red
that
Dead.
too, and we're gonna vote.
I haven't hunted all the legendary animals yet. And you want me to vote? Really?
The magic, here it comes. You're about to watch the moment where all of the roasting, riffing, and bullshitting turns into something worthwhile. Something that could potentially turn into quality content.
No, dude, you should. Oh man, it's too late. But we could have made something on Go Voting for Alex Jones, and you could be more like, don't vote.
Yeah.
Like, listen, you fucking dumbass
Fill the swamp!
kids.
What if you start off like that, but they're like, wait, that was 2 weeks ago? Never mind.
Yeah. We could do that. Yeah.
What if we do, a pro voting? Like, I'm pro, like, you guys gotta get out there and you gotta vote. Now, this November 27th is voting. What? 2 years from now, November 6th? Is this month backwards? Are we counting down? I like it. I think we should do that.
Now that we came up with something viable, it's time to get back to the matter at hand. Luis's brand spanking new drinking problem.
Tell you who you should vote for. No, it doesn't tell you how to vote. It just tells you who.
What did you say? Who'd you vote for?
Isn't PETA like that? Don't they care about animals?
They're terrible.
You vote
And that's
for.
exactly why I shouldn't vote. All right? Yeah.
Luis, what else? Something else you need to not do besides vote. You need to stop drinking, man. You drink too much. And I know you turned 18, but being 18, there's the drinking age is 21, and you're gonna get us in trouble, and you're just not really an adult and able to handle your alcohol yet. I'm sorry to bring this up in front of you. I feel like I'm not attacking you.
Well, that's like why I am drinking, so I could like get to a point where I can handle my alcohol.
No, I mean I get where you're coming from. It's just you're drinking, you're going too fast. You just need to slow down.
No, I can handle my alcohol. Like, I'm pretty sure I could do it. Like
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
You
all right?
can't.
I can.
Can he handle his alcohol?
First off,
Okay,
like,
explain Mendez's party, man.
when I first thought Adam Sandler was the greatest.
Me too.
Until my mom showed me first 50 dates. I was like, 50 whatever.
That movie's good.
The bitch had Alzheimer's.
A lot.
Because
Cried a lot.
yeah, and it was only because that Kendrick Lamar song, like loyalty, well, not loyalty.
Love.
Yeah, love. You know, like that. That's a sad song, and someone was playing it, and I started crying. But when I'm drunk, I'm like really cool. Like I'm going to Nick's party. I'm going to Nick's party, right? And we're gonna like get really drunk, and I'm gonna go to an open mic. And I'm gonna show you guys like, look, not only can I handle my drink, my like not. How do you say it? Like liquor? Yeah. Not only.
You don't even know how to say it, but you're saying to us
Not
that
only
you can
can I
control
handle
it.
my liquor, but I will kill that night.
Alright,
Fucking
okay,
drunk.
all right, I got you. Saturday, next part. All right, we'll see you. I'll see you at Royal Cup, and we'll see how you handle your liquor.
I will.
Deal?
Deal.
Deal? You promise, bitch?
And if
Promise.
you don't handle it, then you'll slow down on drinking.
Yeah.
And no crying, okay?
I'm not gonna cry.
Look
If
into the
anything,
camera and say, I'm not gonna cry.
I'm not gonna cry this Saturday. Dude, when I drink wine, I get fucked up. And I was just like, oh shit, I'm fucked up. And I was drinking Blue Moon because I never drank out a keg before. Of course, these white people have kegs. Yeah, because I'm drunk right now and like I love everybody, but I'm not gonna cry because there's no sad music.
Okay, I'll give him some props. He had a really good set. But no crying? I don't know about that. I wanted to test that.
Oh fuck you, not this song. No. This was the song I cried to when I was just like, Kenny, like, you wanna know what this reminds me? Like of the Avengers, when like Hulk, you're like Black Widow, I'm like Hulk because I'm drunk. You know, like,
Hulk doesn't get drunk in the Avengers.
yeah, but he gets really angry. Like Black Widow's, oh fuck dude.
Are you serious? God damn it!
This song's so fucking sad. You wanna cry? Oh, this is the scene. This was the scene when Black Widow saved the Hulk, and like Hulk was like,
Hey, get your shit straight!
"Oh, you get your shit straight."
Oh, he's crying!
Stop smoking weed at fucking open mics. That's why comics get mad at you, dude.
It's all A.
Kendrick Lamar, fucking dude.
What did you guys do to him? Oh,
They played a song.
No, like, stop smoking weed at open mics, you stupid fuck.
don't laugh at him.
Why do I have to be the Hulk?
This is the best line of all time. Why do I have to be the whole?
It's okay.
Farius, vlogging is a great idea. I'm on board, dude.
I've always wanted to be Spider-Man, but I'm the fucking Hulk. This sucks.
We just were fucking with you with the song.
Yeah, we're just fucking.
No, dude, that song's fucking sad.
Which song do you want me to play?
Do you want to hear some Pharrell?
I'll play you something else.
You wanna-
Nah, man, X is dead.
Okay, no X.
Play Tupac. He's dead, but like it's been a while.
Let's go.
You feel better?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Come on, rap it with me. Come on. Are you ready?
Rap it.
Are you ready?
This is the
Right,
worst.
let's go. Ready? Let's go.
First off, fuck your bitch and the click is name.
West side, when we ride, we come equipped with game. You claim to be a player, but I fucked your wife. You bust some bad boy, fuck for life.
Can you bleep the N-word because I said that shit and like.